While camping in Chobe, Botswana, the lion and hyena around our tent at night are scary and terrifying. But this Cape buffalo's herd almost ended my safari before it began. I am Joe Murray, wildlife artist from Zululand, South Africa. One morning while on a game drive in Chobe, I spotted a massive bull by the Chobe River. Thick coat with heavy horns, just the bull I've been looking for. I was so focused on making sketches and taking photos that I didn't see the herd closing in. Then they sensed us, no warning. Full charge, snorting, stamping, 500 buffalo protecting their leader. I only got the photos and sketches, but managed to drive away safely just in time. I never saw that bull again, but I brought him back to my studio in Richards Bay. That's the power I'm trying to capture. The African bush never disappoints.